Hi, I'll show you how to quickly and easily fold a heart out of a dollar bill, for example, as a cash gift for your loved ones or as a creative tip for a sweet waitress. First, lay your dollar bill in front of you like I do, and then fold the short edge onto the short edge. Always tighten all the folded edges well so that your money gift looks really nice at the end. Then open the fold again and fold this short edge to the newly created auxiliary line in the middle of the dollar. And now fold this long edge onto this long edge. If I ever fold too fast or too slow for you, you can change the playback speed at any time using the gear icon. Next, fold this short edge onto this short edge. If you like tutorials like this without personal chatter and music, then tell YouTube with a thumbs up. Thank you. Now fold this top layer along the short edge upwards. Make sure to place the long edge exactly on the short edge so that the heart gets a nice tip. Slowly you can see the shape of the heart. Only the curves are missing. To form them, turn your dollar bill around like this. Now fold these two tips inwards a little to create two small triangles. After that, you just have to repeat the same two folds with the other two tips, and then you have super quickly and easily folded a heart out of a dollar bill. Congratulations! To make your cash gift even more beautiful, you can flatten it overnight with a heavy book. If you don't have time for this, you can also attach it to a greetings card or a sweet with a paper clip. Please let me know in the comments for what occasion you folded this dollar origami heart. And if you're interested in more money gift ideas, you're welcome to subscribe to my channel for free. See you soon.